You have been posting. You have been consistent. You have been doing everything right. But your channel still not growing. I have been there. I remember refreshing my analytics every single hour, hoping to see new views. But nothing changed. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. Because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why your channel is not growing and what you can do right now to fix it very fast. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will see your channel in a completely new way. Hello creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Double Chip, and here I help small channel and small creators grow faster. You understand? With strategies, motivation, and proven YouTube tips that actually work in 2025. And if you are really serious about growing this year, hit that subscribe button because I don't just talk about growth, I live it. Let's be real here. If your channel is not growing, it's not because YouTube hates, it's because something in your system is not clicking right. And that's a good thing because system can be fixed. You understand? Every system can be fixed. There are three main reasons most small creators or small channels stay stuck. Now, number three will shock you. Now, number one is your content doesn't have a clear purpose. Your viewers don't know what to expect next. And lastly, you are focusing on uploading, not improving. Now, let's break it down. No clear purpose. The biggest mistake small creators make. They try to post everything. One day it's a blog, next one a reaction video. Then a random shot about motivation. But YouTube algorithm and your audience get confused. You understand? And when they get confused, that is a problem. If your channel doesn't have a clear purpose, YouTube does not know who to recommend your channel to. You understand? Now, if I may ask you right now watching me, ask yourself, what problem does my channel solve? Why should someone subscribe to me, especially? When I niche down when I niche down and started focusing on message helping small creator grow, that's when everything changed. Clarity creates growth. Now let's talk about problem number two, viewers connection. Most creators make video for themselves, but the best creator make video for the viewers. Here is a test. When you record, ask, what's in it for them? Ask yourself that question, what's in it for them? If your video doesn't promise or deliver a result, most people will click up. Just like that. Even a motivational video should give the viewers something to take away. A mindset, a shift, a challenge. You understand? Because YouTube isn't just about content. It's about connections. People subscribe to personalities they feel connected to. That's why showing your face, your story, and your journey matters more than having the perfect camera. You understand? And problem number four, you are just uploading, but you are not improving. Here is where most small creators follow. They think more upload is equals to more growth. And that's a lie. But if you are repeating the same mistake, uploading more just means failing faster. Instead, ask yourself, how often should I post? You get, ask yourself that question. How can I make each video 10% better than the last one? By so doing, you see yourself growing on YouTube. That's the secret. Growth is not just about quantity. It's about quality. Improving better than the last one. After every upload, this is what I do. I check orientation graph to see where people drop off. I watch my intro and ask, would I keep watching? I improve one small thing per every upload. In 30 days, my video went 20%, went from 20% rotation to over 50%, same creator, but different focus and different method. Now, here is how you can fix all of this very fast. I call it the G.R.O.W system. G for get clear on who your video are. R research what those people already watch. Now, O stand for optimize your structure and thumbnail. Then W, watch you that and adjust weekly. If you apply this for every 1 month, your number will start to move because YouTube reward consistently plus improvement, not perfection. You understand? Not perfection. And let me tell you something. If your channel is not growing right now, that doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are learning. You are learning. You noticing that is because you are learning. Every view, every video, every comment is a data. And if you keep showing up and improving, YouTube will notice you. But you have got to stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 10 because they had their slow season too. The difference is they didn't quit. That's just it. They didn't quit. So if your channel is not growing fast, remember this. You don't need luck. You need clarity, consistency, and connection. Start with one problem, one message, one audience. Keep refining every video. You have got this because small creators don't stay small. They just haven't blown up yet. If this video helped, hit that like button, comment grow mode below, and subscribe for more weekly YouTube motivational quotes and growth tips like this. Alright, keep learning, keep improving, and as always, keep creating. See you in my next video.